What if a motorcycle could bring back the feeling of pure freedom, the sound of adventure, and the confidence to ride anywhere without fear? The 2026 Yamaha DT 175 is not just a comeback, it's a reminder of why motorcycles were once simple, raw, and deeply connected to the rider. Stay with AM Autos till the very end, because there's a special surprise waiting for true DT lovers that you don't want to miss. The Yamaha DT name carries a legacy that few motorcycles can match. For decades, the DT series represented durability, simplicity, and endless exploration. It was the bike that didn't ask where you were going, it just went with you. Villages, cities, mountains, broken roads, dusty trails, the DT handled everything with quiet confidence. The DT 175 became especially famous because it struck the perfect balance. It wasn't too heavy, it wasn't too powerful, and it wasn't fragile. It was honest. And in 2026, Yamaha brings that honesty back in a modern form. The 2026 Yamaha DT 175 feels like a motorcycle built for riders, not for spec sheets. Yamaha has clearly focused on preserving the soul of the original while updating it for today's world. This bike doesn't try to impress with flashy features or complicated technology. Instead, it focuses on reliability, ride quality, and versatility. The moment you imagine riding it, you can already feel how approachable it is. It doesn't intimidate, it invites. At the heart of the 2026 DT 175 is a refined 175cc engine designed to deliver smooth, usable power. Yamaha has tuned the engine to prioritize low and mid-range torque, which makes everyday riding effortless. Whether moving through city traffic or climbing a rough trail, the engine responds predictably. There's no sudden aggression, no confusing behavior, just clean, controlled performance. This kind of tuning makes the DT 175 enjoyable for beginners while still satisfying experienced riders who appreciate control over chaos. Fuel efficiency is another area where the DT 175 shines. Yamaha understands that many riders want a motorcycle they can depend on daily. The engine is engineered to be economical without feeling weak. This balance makes it ideal for commuting, weekend rides, and long explorations where fuel stops are limited. The DT 175 doesn't demand attention, it quietly does its job. The riding experience of the 2026 Yamaha DT 175 feels natural. The gearbox is smooth and easy to use, making gear changes effortless even in heavy traffic or tricky terrain. The clutch action is light, reducing fatigue during long rides. Everything about the bike feels designed to reduce stress and increase confidence. This is the kind of motorcycle that lets riders focus on the road ahead instead of worrying about control. One of the most impressive aspects of the DT 175 is how well balanced it feels. Yamaha's lightweight frame design ensures the bike remains agile and stable at the same time. On paved roads, it feels planted and predictable. On dirt paths, it feels nimble and forgiving. This dual personality is what makes the DT 175 special. It doesn't force you to choose between city and adventure, it comfortably handles both. Suspension plays a major role in defining the character of the DT 175. The 2026 model features a suspension setup designed to absorb rough surfaces with ease. Potholes, speed breakers, gravel, and uneven trails are handled smoothly. The suspension doesn't feel overly soft or overly stiff. It's tuned for real-world riding, where roads aren't always perfect. This makes long rides more comfortable and off-road journeys more enjoyable. Braking performance on the 2026 Yamaha DT 175 is designed to inspire confidence. Yamaha focuses on progressive braking rather than aggressive bite. This means riders can slow down smoothly without sudden jerks. This is especially important for newer riders who are still building confidence. On slippery or uneven surfaces, controlled braking makes a huge difference, and the DT 175 delivers exactly that. Visually, the 2026 DT 175 respects its heritage. The design carries classic DT proportions while introducing modern refinements. The fuel tank shape, the upright stance, and the overall silhouette instantly remind you of the original DT models. At the same time, modern lighting, refined body panels, and updated finishing bring the bike into the present. It looks timeless rather than old-fashioned. Comfort has always been a strength of the DT series, and the 2026 DT 175 continues that tradition. The seat is designed to support long hours of riding without discomfort. The upright riding posture reduces pressure on the back and wrists, making it suitable for daily commuting as well as long-distance rides. The handlebar position feels natural, allowing easy control whether sitting or standing on trails. Another reason the DT 175 stands out in 2026 is its simplicity. In a market filled with motorcycles loaded with complex electronics and overwhelming features, the DT 175 chooses a different path. It focuses on what truly matters: reliability, ease of maintenance, and rider connection. This simplicity makes it especially attractive in regions where riders value durability and low running costs. Maintenance is straightforward, and Yamaha's reputation for long-lasting engines adds peace of mind. The DT 175 is the kind of bike you can own for years without constant worry. It's built to be used, not protected. Scratches tell stories on this motorcycle, they don't reduce its value. The 2026 Yamaha DT 175 is for riders who believe motorcycles should be tools of freedom. It's for those who want to explore without limits, commute without stress, and ride without overthinking. Beginners will appreciate how forgiving and friendly it is. Experienced riders will appreciate its honesty and character. In a time where many motorcycles feel disconnected and artificial, the DT 175 feels real. It reminds riders of early mornings, open roads, and the simple joy of twisting the throttle. It's not about racing, it's about riding. This motorcycle also holds emotional value. For older riders, it brings back memories of earlier DT models and the adventures they experienced. For younger riders, it offers a chance to experience that same spirit in a modern package. Yamaha has managed to bridge generations with this machine. The DT 175 doesn't try to dominate the market, it quietly earns respect. It's the bike that grows on you with every ride. The more you ride it, the more you understand its purpose. It's not here to impress strangers. It's here to serve its rider. At AM Autos, we believe motorcycles like the 2026 Yamaha DT 175 deserve attention because they represent true riding culture. This bike isn't chasing trends, it's honoring a legacy. It proves that sometimes, less really is more. As the motorcycle world continues to evolve, the DT 175 stands as a reminder that simplicity never goes out of style. It's a machine built with heart, purpose, and respect for its roots. Yamaha didn't just revive a name, they revived a philosophy. If you've ever dreamed of owning a motorcycle that feels like a companion rather than a machine, the 2026 Yamaha DT 175 might be exactly what you're looking for. It's not perfect on paper, but it's perfect on the road. Now, if you're still here, that means you're a true motorcycle enthusiast, and as promised, AM Autos has a surprise waiting for you at the end. Stay tuned, because what's coming next is something every DT fan will appreciate. Keep riding, keep exploring, and never stop chasing the road ahead.